Now, I've been checking internet today, Instagram, and I found that Arturia is giving away a free plugin. And when Arturia is giving the free effect, you take the free effect without even asking what it is. So let's find it today, let's install it, and let's see how it works. What actually is it? But it's kind of unison plugin, as I've heard. Okay, so let's download it. Okay, let's go to arturia.com. And what do we have here? V Collection X. Okay, no, that's not what we're looking for. EFX Refract. That's all we need. That's what we want. Okay, let's discover. What is it? Free download. EFX Refract is a stereo multi-effect with versatility at its core, combining unison-based processing with a variety of secondary effects. Similar. Okay, let's just get it because I like it already. Login. Okay, let's log in. Add license to your account. Okay, so that's what we have to do if you have your account in the Arturia. You just basically need to log in and then add the license to your account. And once it is there, the license is being added to my account. It will take a moment due to high demand. Okay. Download and install the Arturia Software Center. I do have it already. Let's find it. Arturia Software Center. Update. Obviously. Okay, logging in. Now, do we have it? EFX Refract. Cool. Activate. It is already here. See, it didn't take really long, but it might take because of the high demand that it might happen. Okay, so what do we have here? I have some updates to do, quite a lot. Anyway, let's do that later on. Activating. Now it's activated. Let's install. It's actually, you see, very simple if you have everything set up. Okay, we have it activated and downloaded and installed. Okay, let's switch that off. Let's go back to the Ableton Live 11. And where is it? Of course, when we just download the plugin and then we install it and we had our Ableton already running, we need to rescan the plugins. It's very simple. We go to the preferences or settings and we go to plugins and we can click rescan plugins. It will find all the new plugins and add them to our list. We'll see if it's there in a moment. Now I make things a little bit bigger for you so you can easily see things. Okay, cool. Now, so let's go to plugins, VST3, Arturia, EFX Refract. Okay, it's there, but it's an effect. We need a little sound. We need some cool sounds to see what can we achieve with it. So let us take SQATV. Why not? Something cool. Let's find a little cool sound. Maybe some keys. Let's load the EFX Refract on the track. And okay, thank you for installing this Arturia plugin. Would you like to have a quick tour? Well, yes. Okay, so we have the refraction, we have some modules. I don't know, where's the tour? Introduction, okay. Welcome to EFX Refract. Where's the use? Insert here. EFX Refract is designed to be used on an insert effect on individual tracks. Can apply it to bus, okay. Fully feed me. It says feed me. Okay, let's see how can we feed you. To fully evaluate all the settings and functions discussed in tutorial, you need to plug in audio source. Okay, we have an audio source. Okay. It's already interesting. Let's find actually different sound. Let's find something which is longer because this will not probably serve the purpose. Okay, this is cool. This is really delicate. Now let's turn the effect back on. Okay, it's doing some sequencing. I hear. Okay. Main controls. Okay, let's see what we have here. In and out section. There's probably gain. In the step, the high pass filter is set to around 400. Only material above this frequency. Okay, so I have like a filter, which is really cool. Mix, dry, wet, obviously. Input, output, filters, dry, wet, lock. If enabled, switching preset won't affect the current dry, wet. Okay, cool. Like we have in Valhalla Supermassive. It's too much reading. You know what? Let's not read. Let's figure out things by ourselves. Let's find some presets first. Detuned. No, this one. Dry. Wet. High pass, okay. low pass output, amount of refraction. That's cool. Voices. That's like unison voices, I guess. Okay, there we go. Now, what is it? Bandpass. What have? Comp filter. Resonance. What else? Bit crusher. Okay, that's cool. I can modulate it with something, with LFO probably. Distortion. Well, there we go. This is only refraction. Can we change it? No, we cannot basically. What's that LFO doing? I don't like it now. Okay, we can change the wave here. Rate. Do we need to have it at all? Refraction modulation. Okay, but oh, that's the LFO. Okay. Okay, now we have this stable sound. Okay, drive it. Okay, now I get it. So we can do this. This is cool. Are we clipping? No. What else do we have? Harmonizer. Okay, octave. Okay, by octave. Okay, I get it now. By minor. Wow, this is cool. I love it already. One key. Obviously, it's not going to be always in key because it's playing the minor of the key that I'm pressing. So, C minor. D sharp. Okay, well, that's actually cool. You have different chords, of course. Minor 7. G. Very cool. G7, major 7. Very cool, I like it. What else do we have? Bypass, oh, obviously. So, band pass. Okay, once again, what does it do? It's a filter, basically. Okay, there we go. It only makes sense to modulate that. Yeah. So basically actually really cool. Let's try some presets. Okay, let's find the sound that is a little bit more characteristic. This is very delicate. Let's find like a key sound, lo-fi keys. On 8 note. No, let's go through the presets. Okay, let's find delay, granular tape. Okay, distortion, oh, quite a lot. That's mostly dry. Okay, more distortion, drive bomb. Cool, next one. Oh, that's cool. Okay, experimental. That's gonna be fun. Comp filter, okay, that's what it does. Okay, that's cool. Very cool. Robot jet. Very cool. Next one. Also cool. Very experimental. So the plugin's actually very simple. It has just a few controls, but it gives really cool effects. I really like it. Grab it while it's free, because I'm sure they're gonna charge for it later on. So grab it, download it now. Or at least add it to your account. You don't need to download it now. Just add the license, activate it. That's it. All you need to do. We're still in experimental, eliminate. Well, I think we've been there already. It's okay. Filter. Very cool. That's the 100% wet. We need to add a little bit of the original texture to it, I guess. Okay, modulation, lo-fi tremolo, really cool. Vibrating voices with just refraction. Look, it's on the bypass mode, and somehow it's doing something. Okay, it's okay, I get it now. Okay, there's plenty of ways to kind of work through that. So I have the pitch. Oh, really interesting. 100% wet. Okay, texture, alien contamination. I like it. Wet. Rising crystallizer. Just rise? No, it's gonna come down. This is a very cool sound, very cool textures. I like it so far, I love it. I'm sure I'm gonna keep it for some experimenting and maybe some different sound design sessions. The plugins are really cool, I like it. Just grab it if it's free. Like, so we had a little overview how to download it, how to get it. Super easy. One more thing, if you're interested in free plugins, I happen to make a cool video about 7 best free plugins that you can actually get. They are actually really useful because it's not difficult to get like hundreds and thousands of free plugins, but most of them are not really actually useful at all, or you can easily replicate them inside your Ableton or any other DAW. So watch that video next, and that's it from me for today. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys next video. Cheers!